Y'all been buying the Hello Kitty stuff off of Temu. Damn. I'm ready to open this. I'm like ready to open this one first. So what else is in my goodie bag? Cause we not doing that. We not about to. Not doing that today. What up, y'all? What it is? What it do? What's good? What's great? It's your girl V, and I'm back with another video. You guys, I'm back with another honest Temu review, and we're not gonna delay it out. All right. So, and this time, your girl bought her scissors. Because if y'all caught the last video, and make sure you do, the last review I did, I was struggling with this Temu package, okay? So, I had to get some scissors. Y'all, I decided to do a cute little haul this time. And I'm gonna say off the break, before we even start, I'm slightly bummed out because a lot of the stuff that I wanted was out of stock. Y'all been out there buying it up, child, with Temu, okay? And I ain't mad at you. I'm not mad at you at all. But I was a little bummed because this was stuff I wanted. So this one, my daughter and I, we are like huge Hello Kitty fans, Betty Boop fans. She's into anime and stuff like that. So we decided this time to do a Hello Kitty review. So let's see what goodies we got in here. But like I said, a lot of it, like y'all been buying the Hello Kitty stuff off of Temu. Damn. Because it was so much stuff out of stock. Like Hello Kitty wise. I was crazy. My daughter even mentioned something about a gel gun or something like that, and that was out of stock. This is super cute. So this is, you guys, it is a Hello Kitty iPhone charger. Look at that. Y'all, so let's see. What else? Ooh. I'm ready to open this. I'm like ready to open this one first. I'm gonna open this one. Let's open this one first. Told y'all I ain't playing with y'all with this opening packaging stuff no more. And me sitting here doing exactly what I said I wasn't gonna do in that struggle. So let's get the tape, okay? Because we not doing that. We not doing that today. Alright. Let's see. Ooh. She's glittery. I don't know if this one is considered Hello Kitty though, but for real, it could pass for it. Like it could. So let's see. Oh my God, that's so cute. Y'all, I'm just like trying to get the thing out. It's like a little mirror. And I guess you put this on the phone, the case. Oh, this is cute. And so I got the one for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And so you're supposed to be able to stick this on the phone. Like so, like that, like so. Unless I'm doing it the wrong way. And it sits up like this. And it's a cute little mirror. That's so cute. Y'all, I'm trying not to put the ring right in your face. That's adorable. Alright. A win is a win. Y'all got me with this one. And obviously it's not like, you know, super hard, like a hard cover case or whatever, but it's definitely durable. So We got this. And I think, how much was this one, Lily? I don't even know how much this one was. But I think this one couldn't have been no more than like $2, $3. It was $2 and change, so pushing somewhere around 3. Okay. So what was the other one? The other one was the charger. Looks pretty long. Okay, let me not bust it up before it even comes out. Okay, off the break, I'm gonna let you know right now. This part. No, I don't feel bad. Let's see. If y'all anything like me, sometimes, you know, I have to step out. Like if my charger gets broken, I have to step out on paying that super expensive price to get another iPhone charger cord. And so I'll go to like the Five and Below stores or Walmart, whatever case may be. So this feels about equivalent to that, except it's like a little bit more sturdy on the end. And it's so cute. Is that Hello Kitty? It's adorable. And it's like a little bow tie on the part that goes in there. All right, and the cord is actually more sturdy than my Five and Below one, actually. Yeah, I like this. All right, y'all, so y'all go look up. There's some weight on this, by the way, on this piece. Y'all go look up this little iPhone charger if you got one. It's cute. All right, so what else is in my goodie bag? My goodie bag. I'm looking at my dog, y'all. Oh, it's another case. My daughter must have got this one. We got another case. And is this one Hello Kitty as well? I don't know, but it's cute. It comes with a little bracelet or a little chain you can hang on it. Oh, this is adorable. And can I have this? Can I keep yours? Oh, this is cute. And you see how the phone case comes with like the little ears. Oh, I think this is so sweet. Okay. And she got it for her phone, so I can't have this one. Boo. Had I seen it, I'd have definitely. And the bracelet got some weight on it. This ain't this ain't coming off. Like this ain't, this a better quality than the last purses I had. The straps on those. Go figure. Super cute. What else is in my goodie bag? What else? Oh, these better fit. I told you I ain't playing around with y'all in the packets. So, where's my scissors? I ain't doing none of that. I'm not playing around with these packets. And y'all know that was a resealable bag, so when I just cut like right. So look at these killers. Oh my gosh. Look how cute. Leah, are you on the phone? These are so cute. This got like bunny ears. These better fit. They're so cute. You think these will fit me? Yeah. I'm like a size 8 in women's. And then in kids, I wear like a 6, 6.5. And then in boys, I wear like a 5, 5.5. Like men's shoes, 5, 5.5. These are cute. I probably use them to just like be comfy socks, walk around the house. These are cute. And they actually feel pretty durable. These are cute. Stretch right up on my foot. They gonna work. What else is in my bag? What else is in my bag? I'm telling y'all, like I said earlier, I was a little bit bummed because how much was those socks? I think I got the socks for like $3 also. Like literally everything in here. Oh, we got another one. Another one. There's another phone case. I don't even remember getting them. And this one, oh yeah. I already like it, y'all. I like this haul so much better than my last experience. It's silicone, so it's not like a hard case, but like, this is really cute. And I got it for the Pro Max as well. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Y'all, I'm so corny, but it is. It's actually cute. Oh, they got me a little bit better than this stuff. But yeah, I was bummed because there was other things I wanted, and y'all went in. Y'all went in on that site. But I'm gonna keep checking. I'm gonna go back. What's in my bag? What do I got in my bag? Hold on. What we got here? What we got here? Okay. I think my daughter chose this one. Did you choose this? Yeah. This is cute. This is cute. So, okay, so even the zipper off the bat, even the zipper is giving better than the last bag I had. Let's see what this is. Let's see how big it is. Can you see? So it's a cute little toe. Yeah, this is cute. It says 45th anniversary Hello Kitty. Really cute. And I think this bag was what, about, for the bag, I'm gonna have to fact check that, see if that's a double check, but it does, it's a cute bag. That's cute. And it doesn't, I'm telling you, compared to the last bags I had in my last haul, y'all. Temu, y'all did better this time. That's what's up. Okay. What I got in my bag, what do I got in? Yes. But wait, there's more. Hold on. What else do I got in my bag? What else do I got in my bag? What else do I got? Ow, just gonna hit myself in the lip though. Okay, what is this? What is this? Ooh, mine. Oh y'all, this is so adorable. And most of these things, y'all, my daughter picked because she knew I would like them or thought I would like them. So it's kind of like a blind buy, but not, because of the fact that she knows it. We both, you know, Hello Kitty fans, and we like the little stuff like that. Oh, look. I don't know if I can block the light, but you can see that it says Hello Kitty on it, and it is a tumbler. I've been sitting here picking with it. Y'all know, y'all watching me the whole time, like trying to figure out how to get this thing open. But it is like a little coffee. Why am I like dumbfounded for the word of this? Like, what is this called? It's a thermos. I like it. It's cute. It's little though. I will tell you that. So if you think you about to like fill up on coffee for like the whole morning, ain't happening. This is the cutesy witsy. Put a little tea in this and then you go about your business. That's about it. Is that it all? Is that all? That's all that's in my bag. And you guys, I have to honestly say, this one was better than the last. So, they got my business. I'll be making another order. And if you would like to make an order, make sure y'all check out the link in the description box so you can get your discount. All right? Make sure y'all use my code. It'll all be down there so y'all can go pick up y'all stuff. Out of this entire that entire bag or whatever, and I know it wasn't like huge or whatever, I wanted to use caution this time because of my last experience. So I wanted to have things that I would actually like, and I let my daughter go about it that way. Now the case I did know about, the one with the mirror, I did, because I did see this online and you guys probably seen it a lot. Now, as far as the feel of it, $2. Y'all know what it is. It's not a hardback case, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna be, you know, terrible either. This, I wouldn't go banging it around. Real talk, I wouldn't. It's cute though. You wanna put a little lip gloss on. It's cute. That's about it. But my favorite, I think my favorites are gonna be these. The thermos and this case right here. Ooh, she's cute. You guys, so I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Once again, make sure if you are interested in any of these products or any other Temu products that you go ahead and use the code in the description box and get your discounts, y'all, because there's plenty. It's plenty. And if you've already been a Temu shopper, then you already know there's plenty, y'all. So I will catch you guys in the next video. I hope you like this review. I always love you guys, and I'll see you later, babies. Bye.